Hey guys, it's me again, Legal Matters with Yan. Today, actually it's tonight, it's 23:50 in the evening right now here. It's almost midnight, 10 minutes to midnight. Today, our vlog is about this unboxing. I've been itching to unbox this. I ordered it online through Alzada. I will put on the link on this video so you have an idea about what this kind of thing is. So anyway, I ordered this online and it came like almost 2 weeks ago already, and I just leave it out there because I wanted to unbox this and it's out of my mind. And then this one also, I bought it online also, and at the same link at alsa.cc. So first one, let's go to this one. First of all, mega love shout out, mega love shout out to all my members in my channel. Carla Key World, Rovi Kalak, Viva Frances, Rosemary Rodichki, Lily 13, and then also the Nistyle Iding, one of the admins in my frame list team. Thank you so much. And also Daxria's channel. The last one is Aswang OSW. These members that I will show you here in this video here, please subscribe on them and do connect to them. They are very great guys. They are all wonderful people, and I hope you guys will support to them because they are very legitimate to give you all the full support. So thank you so much guys for being part as my members in my YouTube channel. And if you want to know what are the perks to be my members, please scroll down in here. I will give you the list, and again, you won't gonna regret to become my member. And again, thank you so much for all my members and for all my super chatters. Thank you so much guys for sharing your blessings, and I'll gonna give it back to you through what you deserve. So thank you so much for being part of it, and thank you for all your help, and thank you for all those people, my individual friends that are there, always there on my premiere. Thank you guys for your unending support, and for all the admins and for all the members to my GC. Thank you so much for always being there and for all your patience. Thank you very much for everything and for all your help. Okay, enough for that. Let's go and box to this one. Okay, the name of this box is SYNCO, CYNCO. It's Bluetooth, and of course it is a G1A1. It's a digital 2.4 gigahertz, and it's a wireless microphone, one wireless microphone. And why I bought this, because this can give you, the specifications of this is can give you a wireless transmission, RF or a frequency band. It's a working distance, so this can work even if you are only 400 meters away from your phone. The microphone would work because it can handle a 400 meters away from the phone, and it's chargeable. And then also this one is an RX receiver X1. I don't know what that one means, but we know what is receiver. And then the TX transmitter X1, and the external mic with wind muff. So even if you're using this one and it's under the wind outside on your background, that would not a problem, because there is an ear muff for that. Furry windshields and a carrying bag which is this one. So let's go what's inside, if we can see what's there's things going on. So this is what inside the box. Here's the name, the SYNCO. It's a nice box. It's quite hard, the hard face, the hard cover, so it's really good, I think. And here is this one. This is the receiver, and this is the transmitter. So first you have to do like this, like that. You have to pin it on your shirt. This is what I like, because like when I'm going outside, especially on the summer, and I have a lot of activity, all I have to do is just put in there, and I can film myself over there 400 meters away from me, and I still can, you know, going to walking through my phone, and I still can talk with this one, with this mic in there. It's really good because there's already a microphone insert in there, and I can give you a review for that. And this one also is the transmitter that can either you put it next to your phone or whatever, or even if it's just on the receiver. So this one is next to your phone, and the transmitter is this one you're gonna put on your pen. I'm sorry, I made it the other side. So and even if you are 400 meters away from that still can catch up the voice. So that's really a good plus in there. That's why I like this so much when I found the review on YouTube. So on the other side, what's in this box is also, let's go put in here, because I am wearing I'm wearing my night clothes already, my jammies. There's also a pen for your wiring. So this is the cable. It's quite long, so that's really good. Here's the cable, and you just attach in here for you to be able to charge this. So it's gonna be like this, so you can charge this, so like that. So, and you know, or whatever. So you can charge this. It's a cable charger, so it's really good. And it's not big, you know, because it's really handy. It's not, it's just how much inches? It's like 2 inch. It's like 2 inch. So this is the size, like this, guys, so you could see. So it's like that. It's really nice. I like it. And yeah, we could just pin it on your shirt. And then what else in here is, this is for the microphone, where you can, and here's the fluffy one. There's two things, and you can just, if you want, because it's either, because it is a wireless, you can work on this one, but it's windy outside, you really need this fluffy microphone, so that it can distract the wind and it won't gonna go to you, and you can start talking like this. So when you're in the outside, you can start talking like this using this microphone with the touch on your transmitter, and then this fluffy microphone will block the background noise like wind or any other noises when you are in the outside. So this is really good. I like this one. It's really a good idea when you're working outside and you're doing a micro and you're using this microphone flappy thing. But other than that, this one is already, without this fluffy microphone, it is already this one has already a microphone inside, and a microphone inside in it, so you can talk. It's just like this. So the next one, so we have the cable, we have the fluffy microphone that it's attachable to your receiver and to your transmitter, and we have another cable for your microphone, just in case you want to change your fluffy thing, because this one is removable, and you can just change it to this one. And another one, we have this another stuff for your microphone. I think another fluffy microphone that covers for that that catches the sounding of your outside. So you can just close this and then change it to this one. So when you talk, the microphone will not gonna catch the wind on your background. It only catch your voice itself. So that's really a big plus. I like this one so much. So we will see if that really works. I will make a review. I will go outside maybe when the weather is better. Then I'll make a testing for that. So again, this is a SYNCO. I like the box. The hardware of the box is like the case for your eyeglasses. So it's really nice. So you can travel with this with you, and everything's in here. It's safe. It's handy. You can put it in your bag. And what else in there? It said it's it's a 70 meter of transmissions, which is 230 feet to 70 meters. And then it's working indicators. It's a low cut, built-in and external mic. It's a USB charging, and then it's a wide compatibility with your microphone, with your phone, with your mobile phone, and with your camera or your DSLR. So it seems like it catches your eyes because it really looks good. The mounting, the working distance, it's also good for working distance, and it's pocket clip. And what else in here? Headphone output, and a digital 2.4 gigahertz. And this is made from we know where is it. Most of the material right now in the world is commonly made from China, so we cannot change that. And again, it's a built-in mic, and we will see. I will give you the report for this very soon, guys, when the weather permits me to go out.